warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hika. You can call me Hika, and I am from impressive class. In this video, I want make a video conversation with TC student. Okay. So before we start make video conversation, I will say thank you very much to brother because you take your time for make video conversation. Okay. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, okay. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad and I'm thesis student 173 and also I'm from Denver class. So brother,
Yeah.
what is our topic today?
My topic is my dream job.
Oh, your
Yeah.
dream job. So may I ask you some question?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. What is your dream job?
My dream job, I wanna be businessman. You know, I want have a lot of business. Maybe cafe, you know, and then boarding house,
Yeah.
and maybe I want a farmer. Yeah, slow living, you know.
Wow,
Slow living.
that sounds
I wake up at morning and then I water the plant and enjoying morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. So, could you explain about your dream job? I mean, what makes you interesting for becoming businessman?
Because businessman is, I think businessman, businessman is so good job and then good job and then good
Like,
good plan for my future.
yeah. So maybe you have much money right in the future.
I wanna have much money.
So I hope you can become a better person in the future.
Yeah, I mean,
Because you know, a businessman is a good dream, and is that we have many knowledge right for becoming businessman.
yeah.
So could you explain about your next company for your business in the future?
Um, Honestly, I haven't think about that.
Oh, you should know him.
Yeah, because I confused.
Oh, it's okay.
So, and then that's why I learning English because I wanna improve my skill. Improve my skill because I wanna dream job is to the world. What do I say?
So by English lessons,
Yeah,
can make your dream is achievement.
yeah.
So where in the future, where is your I mean, what will we do? What will you do in the future for your dream job?
Um,
I mean, like this. Um, where is have you do you have a dream country?
yes, I have.
Oh, what country is that?
Maybe Swiss.
Swiss.
Yeah.
So, do you want to become? Do you want to build
House.
a house in Swiss?
Yeah, because that country is beautiful and then a lot of mountain, right?
Yeah.
And then the field is beautiful.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then can I know your dream job?
Oh, my dream job. Oh, if my dream job, yeah, probably I want to become a doctor
Oh, that's so great.
because this is my dream. When I was a child,
Yeah.
I always think about that. So after after learning English,
Yeah.
I want to look for scholarships to achieve my goals, to achieve my dream job.
And you want to help a lot of people, right? Okay. So thank you for your attention. So selesai saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.